King Air 394 Golf Victor, runway 18 left, clear for takeoff.
Okay, clear for takeoff, runway 18 left for 394 Golf Foxtrot. Rejecting for 394 Golf Foxtrot.
394 Golf Foxtrot, roger. Do you require any assistance?
And I'm going to need a taxi back. You've got, I'm going to say about 300 birds on this runway. We just hit a couple of them.
For recording purposes, cancel takeoff clearance.
And we're exiting Alpha 5 and going back to Shelter. And 394 Golf Foxtrot, you know, ground or clear taxi back?
November 394 Golf Foxtrot, you can taxi Alpha 5 Bravo to park.
Alpha 5 Bravo to park for 394 Golf Foxtrot, roger.
Yeah, we were calling you.
Yeah, I'm trying to respond, but I'm not getting
Yeah, I was just making sure that you were talking about your phone, the on-call phone number, or are you talking about the frequency?
the phone number.
Okay, yeah, I wasn't picking up for some reason. Where are you at right now?
I'm, near the tower.
Okay, we got a bird strike. There's bird guts on the runway right now. Can you go out there and take care of that for us?
Hey, firm, I'll be right out.